Hi everyone, we are going to talk about measuring the software project's health with quality models. Little about myself. My name is Venuvardhan and I am from India. I am a GSOC student with Chaos contributing to the Grimor Lab project. This would be the outline of the talk. In the past decade, software development metrics have become a powerful toolkit to measure the project health by providing insights on low-level aspects of the project. For example, number of commits, number of active users, etc. However, they require to be manually evaluated and combined to derive a holistic picture of the project status. On the other hand, quality models are well-known tools useful to evaluate a project, since they would allow the decision makers to understand its status without diving into low-level details. Nevertheless, due to the lack of tooling and missing properties not covered by the standard quality models, operationalizing a quality model and applying it to a specific scenario may turn into a difficult experience. We would like to talk about Remote. RemoteLab is a set of free open source software tools for software development and learning. It's a part of the Linux Foundation Chaos software community. It is an evolution of the work done by Bitachia and several contributors. RemoteLab has a lot of components. They gather data from many software systems like Git, GitHub, Jira, Mailinglist, Slack, etc., merge and organize it in a database, and produce visualizations, actionable dashboards, and analytics of all of it. RemoteLab is focused on analyzing activity, community, and process, but can be easily tailored for other aims. But RemoteLab was not sufficient to bring quality models into the context. A new project was introduced for this. It is called Prosol. The final goal of this project is to have a tool for automatic project assessment and visualization based on evolved quality models. So how does it work? Percival collects the raw data from different data sources. ELK enriches the raw data and stores it in a database. Prosol performs the assessments using quality models and the enriched data. Kibita shows the visualizations using the assessment results. First of all, we'll discuss briefly about quality models. Software quality is defined as a field of study and practice that describes the desirable attributes of software products. A fixed software quality model is often helpful for considering an overall understanding of software quality. The importance of software characteristics depends on software domain, product type, and intended usage. Every quality model has defined goals, attributes, and metrics. This is an example of developer quality model which is tailored for development use case. We will now talk more about Prosol. Prosol is a software quality models manager to import, export, view, and edit models. Based on the models, visualizations and assessments for the projects are generated. It has been implemented in the context of the EU-funded research project Crossminer. Prosol has many functionalities. The edit function allows you to create quality model. The view function allows you to view the quality model in the form of a tree. The assess function allows you to perform an assessment of the quality model over the projects included in your data. The results can be either viewed as CSV or as visualization. Every project will be given scores based on the metrics and it will be displayed as a Dendrogram. I would like to show some interesting results. I have performed a pilot study on some projects of the GitLab organization. This study includes data retrieval, enrichment, assessment, and visualization of the software repositories. I have used a developer quality model which has the number of commits, number of issues attended, and number of issues closed as metrics. Some of the results which can be extracted from the visualizations. You can surely see that the GitLab orchestrator has the maximum score which has done a great job in 3 out of 4 metrics. The projects GitLab Terminal and GitLab Styles couldn't get a good score as the development hasn't been so good. There are many more such results which can be interpreted from the dashboard. Takeaways. Prosol with its integration with RemoteLab gives a nice way where you can study your software project itself with the help of quality models. Thanks for watching the video.